Hey guys, Jordan here. In this video I'm going to be giving 4 reasons why the DJI Mavic 3 won't be replacing my DJI Mini 2. Now for starters, the DJI Mavic 3 is an incredible drone. It has a lot of features, but this Mini 2, don't underestimate it. This thing has a lot of reasons why it still has a place for real estate photography. So reason number 1 why the Mavic 3 won't be replacing my Mini 2 is portability. There's a lot of reasons why having something in such a small form factor is nice, just to be able to throw it in your camera bag, your case, and it's even though the Mavic 3 is a portable drone, it's hard to compete with this thing. So it's super light, compact, and is easy to carry around wherever you want. Reason number 2 is the repair or replacement cost. So when flying drones, there can be times that things happen. You might hit a tree or whatever. Obviously, the Mini 2 doesn't have any obstacle avoidance sensors like the Mavic 3. But, you know, even with the Mavic 3, I'm sure you can crash, or there can be little things that can happen. There could be a bird that hits it out of the sky. There's a lot of things that can happen when you're flying a drone. So it's much cheaper to replace this, which you can get the Fly More kit for around $500, and then the Mavic. If you get the Mavic 3 Cine, you're paying what, $5,000, so 10 times it. And I will say you're definitely not getting 10x the quality of the Mini 2. So anyways, a good reason that I'm going to be still using this drone out in the field is because if for some reason something happens to it, then I'm not out $5,000, and I could easily recoup my replacement costs with paying aerial jobs. And reason number 3 is that the Mini 2 is more unobtrusive. It's much quieter, it's harder to see, and that was something that was really annoying, especially in the early days of aerial photography, where you'd have neighbors coming out and threaten to shoot your drone out of the sky or whatever. This one I can almost immediately take off and have it high enough in the sky where nobody can even see it or hear it. So you're a lot more of a minimalist shooter, which I really like as a real estate photographer, not notifying all the people in the neighborhood that, hey, I'm flying a drone over here. So anyways, more unobtrusive. All right, and last but not least, reason number 4, I believe that the Mini 2 is better for beginners. The last thing you want to do is give a $5,000 drone out to a brand new beginner. They don't know what they're doing. They run it into a tree and there goes $5,000. You're better off giving something like this, where if they break it, it's not going to make you cry, or having to go to the bank to get a loan to get a replacement on it. And I will tell you, the image quality out of this little thing, as small as the sensor is, most real estate photography or aerial photography jobs are shot during the day, and you're not going to have any quality issues. Now, if you get into low light scenarios, yes, the Mavic 3 or some of these drones with bigger sensors is going to shine, but very impressed with the image quality, both on the video side and the photography side of the Mini 2, which is currently the go-to drone that I carry with me all the time. I also have the Air 2S, the Air 2, and a whole bunch of other drones, the FPV. But for some reason, I rock this thing a lot. All right, guys, so that's 4 reasons why the Mavic 3 won't be replacing my Mini 2. If you're interested in learning more about the real estate photography business, you can check out my free workshop. The link is in the description below. That's going to do it. Reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you guys on the next one.